Hey guys, welcome back. You have a test this week. Yes, this could be like very nice for your grade. You have 1 hour to do it. It's not super long. It's a little bit vocab heavy. There are some computations in there, but this could be very helpful for you. So I'm going to go over what is going to be on this test, which for gold day is on Thursday and black day is on Friday. So here we go. All right, now we talked about gases, right? Remember gas laws. We had Boyle's Law, Charles' Law, the Gay-Lussac Law, ideal gas law. Well, I took all the named laws and I shoved it into one right here, all right? P1V1 over N1T1 equals P2V2 over N2T2. So you're gonna wanna rehash your notes on this one, okay? Look over these, this is computational stuff right here. Then we had the ideal gas law, PV equals nRT, R is 0.0821. Again, computational stuff. I did forget to write one thing down that we gotta remember. This is super duper important. Remember, Kelvin. We always want our temperature in Kelvin, and that's Celsius plus 273. So it's just simple calculation, nothing crazy there, all right? But we're gonna wanna remember this one, okay? Now, I'm gonna allow you, you can write down all the equations and stuff and have a sheet for yourself. That actually might be a really good way to review all this, is to go through all the equations, write them down, and kind of, get them back out of your brain, get them at the front of your brain right now. The next unit we did was concentration, so there's a lot of vocab here, so review that vocabulary. There's videos, I've not taken them down, it's unit 10, it's nothing crazy. But then our one computation here is molarity. Molarity equals moles over liters, all right? Now with moles, please remember that when we start doing this, I can ask you for a mass of a compound, which means once you find moles, then you have to use the periodic table to figure out the mass. All right, but we've done this all year. I stated in class, hopefully you remember, that molar mass was not going away. This year it's here forever. All right, so we have that, there's concentration. Then the last thing that we did was intermolecular forces. We had London forces, London dispersion forces, dipole-dipole interactions, and hydrogen bonding. Now, London dispersion forces happen in all molecules. It's from an instantaneous dipole, and those get bigger as the molecule gets larger. Now remember, we measure these with boiling point. So as the boiling point gets bigger, we know that the intermolecular force gets bigger. So London dispersion, the primary force for nonpolar molecules, nonpolar here. Dipole-dipole interactions. This is the primary interaction for polar molecules. You gotta remember VSEPR when we started talking about polarity and things like that. Hydrogen bonding is a bit of a special circumstance. It's when hydrogen is bonded to F, O, or N. So the way that I think about it is hydrogen bonding is fun. But hydrogen has to be directly bound to O, F, or N. If there's hydrogen in it and oxygen in it, but they're not connected, there's no hydrogen bonding. So it's why water has an absurdly high boiling point for the size of molecule that it is. So we have those three intermolecular forces, and then we started talking about properties of liquids. There's the whole list. There's 4 of them, right? We had surface tension, viscosity, vapor pressure, which that one is a little bit complicated. I understand that. And capillary action, how trees drink water. So look over your notes. You're going to have an hour to do the test. When you have the test, I'm opening it up at 8 o'clock in the morning, and you have until midnight to get it done. So I feel like I've given you a really wide window there. The only thing that you have to do is get it done that day, all right? So gold day, you gotta get it done on Thursday. Black day, you gotta get it done on Friday, okay? I'm gonna post this video. This is your review. All the notes are up, so you can go look over that stuff. Good luck. Keep washing your hands. I know they're gonna start loosening things up soon, but wash your hands. That's the most important thing.